the supervision and the guidance and the tips you provide. So even if you do practice at home or by yourself, but there is no one to supervise you or to tell you that what are your mistakes, that's worthless, because no one is there to tell you what are your mistakes. So you are keep on doing the mistakes, you are repeating the same mistakes, and you tell that you are doing practice and you have the dedication. No, but that's wrong.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Premraj with me. 25 points towards his permanent residency, and very, very proud. Well done. You have cleared your PT with 8 in just a month. Yeah. And that's a dream for a lot of students out there. What do you think, what is important for PT, especially to get a perfect score? You've got a perfect 90 in speaking. What do you think, what is the most important factor?
So if I talk about the important factor is the dedication and your practice. And the other thing is the supervision and the guidance and the tips you provide. So even if you do practice at home or by yourself, but there is no one to supervise you or to tell you that what are your mistakes, that's worthless, because no one is there to tell you what are your mistakes. So you are keep on doing the mistakes, you are repeating the same mistakes, and you tell that you are doing practice and you have the dedication. No, but that's wrong. You need someone who tell you what are your mistakes and the proper guidelines, and the other thing, the strategies that Language Academy provide. The best thing, because there are many people in the market who tell you what are the strategies, they'll just discuss that, but here I have experienced the things that they tell you, and it actually works. Yeah.
Basically, implementation of strategy is very important.
Yeah, it's very important.
Very important, because I remember you used to come at 7 as well in the lab.
Yeah.
You practice a lot. You used to look for space in speaking.
I know.
That's very, very important. You follow the right strategies, but it's not just about following it. You have to make sure you implement the strategies properly, and then take feedback from one of the experts that are you following the strategies properly or not, because a lot of time what happens, you know the strategy, but you do not follow it the right way.
Yeah.
And if you don't implement the strategies right way, things can be very difficult. You have taken a number of mock tests, I remember, a number of sectional mock tests.
Yes, sectional.
Why mock tests are important?
Now, the mock test is important because you need to see, like if you are giving the mock test of listening section, you need to just see how you are performing in listening and how the listening section contributes to other sections. So just doing the test of listening, you'll get to know your listening skills particularly and other sections as well. If I say about the speaking sections, the most important thing about the speaking section is the strategies. The new strategies for describe the image and retell the lecture, I would say. So I practiced a lot. I practice speaking every day. So there are many things to do practice on every day, but speaking, I have worked a lot every day because the new strategies need practice.
That's right.
And these are the things that will work for you to get 90 in speaking and other sections. Yeah.
That's right. That's very, very important. If you have a strategy, you practice it every day. If you don't, things can be difficult because you know the strategy, but you don't know how to implement it. And if the right or correct implementation is not there, things can be difficult. Yeah. Any advice for students out there preparing for the exam? How to clear 8 each, how to get 8 each within a month?
Yeah, so first strategy, I would say focus on listening first, because listening is the section which gives marks to other sections as well. Right. So it contributes everywhere. And after that, if you go for reading, fill in the blanks. Every day, just do 25 of reading fill in the blanks and 25 reading and writing fill in the blanks. That's what I did, and that's what I suggest. And about listening, just to write from dictation and SST every day. Doesn't matter how you do 3, 5, 2, but do practice, because you need to do it every day on the daily basis. And writing, the template of Language Academy itself gives you 80 points. So,
guys, very, very important. The key to his success, one thing which I can take out from his journey is that he was consistent. Consistency is very important.
Yeah.
As he mentioned that even if you practice 5 dictations or 10 dictations, you need to practice that you are in the flow. You practice every day. If you practice every day, you'll know what mistakes you're making, and you won't lose the grip of the questions. Right?
That's very, most important.
Very, very important. You stay in touch with PT. Practice every day so that you are in the flow. One last thing I would like to ask you, did you add any extra word in write from dictation?
Yes, that new strategy actually worked for me. I got 4 write from dictation, but out of them, 2 of them were critical, like some complex words were there. So I was a bit confused about the spellings and plural or singular. So what I did, I added 3 extra words in one sentence and 2 extra words in other sentence. So as I have received my score and I've seen the listening section score, I would say that strategy worked for me. Otherwise, I couldn't get 89 listening because of that. Yeah.
That's right, guys. 89 in listening, very important. you know the right strategies and follow them and implement them. One, when you go for the exam, very important, you practice and take as many mock tests so that you can get the feedback. 25 points, congratulations.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best. Hope you'll get your invite soon and we'll see each other again. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you keep on practicing, give your 100%, and you will get your score as well.
All the best, people, for your exam.
Thanks, guys.